at the Reverb Hotel because we're taking a handmade pasta class. We're going to the 11th floor. So come with us, check it out. All right, we're in class. A little late, but we're on time.
Fold it down.
All right,
Like a solid.
and the chef is at work.
Punch it down and fold it.
We're on the 11th floor. Pretty nice view. I have gloves on because I'm getting into it as well.
There we go. Is that good?
So if your dough is seeming like it's too wet, just add some flour. It's still good.
All right, so far so good, y'all. Yeah, so it's gonna take 25 minutes for the dough to be ready. In the meantime, we're just relaxing on the rooftop here at the Reverb Hotel. We're enjoying some drinks and enjoying a warm look at that view. Very nice view. Look at that sunset.
Okay. So you smash your dough down, get another little season action. Then you're going to take your bench scraper and you're going to cut your dough in half. So now you have two pieces, okay? Smash it down, starting off at 7. I get my little crank, going right. So if you guys put your crank in, you're going to be right here, okay? That's going to be the crank. So you start in there at 7. I like to feed the thinner side. It's a little bit easier. So I go through. Okay. So now you have something like this, a little bit flatter, longer. The pasta machine likes the flour, okay? So if you don't flour it in between the stages, your pasta is going to get stuck in the machine. It's just going to be a mess. Okay, it's going to be hard to get out. It's just going to be a mess. So make sure you're flouring in between each stage. Not much, right? Just a little bit. So you're going to take your dial again and you're going to go to 3, right?
So I have to ask, what kind of flour is this?
We're using all-purpose flour.
All-purpose. Oh.
Yeah. Do anyone know the difference between like all-purpose, self-rising?
Yeah.
Semolina?
This is for everything.
Yes, you do. Right? Yeah. Self-rising flour. It's for like baking. Yep. Because it has that baking soda and that powder already in it. Okay. So you got 7. So you're going 7 and then 3. So you're feeding. Okay.
What kind of pasta would you use for like semolina?
So you can use like the bow tie, little noodle. A lot of people use like for raviolis,
Okay,
pizza.
So like
yeah.
It's still not done.
Yep. Okay, so you have your stage here. And it's long, so I always like to cut in between. If not, you'll be like rolling the pasta all the way through the back. Right? That's cool too. So I just give it a nice little even chop. Yeah. So make sure you're flouring in between. So we're starting off at
7,
then
3.
Okay, then we're going to 1.
Oh.
Okay? So 7, 3, 1. That's the style it's going to. So 1. Rolling it through. I like to take my crank out because if you don't take it out, it's gonna fall. Okay, so I like to take it here, place it there.
Oh wow, that's how that is good.
Yeah.
One of my favorites.
Is this how they make it at the restaurant when I go?
Which restaurant? Exactly.
My uncle's order.
Okay, yeah, definitely not them. I worked at St. Cecilia, and we did we had a lady to do the pasta dough.
Oh, nice.
She was like a short, mean little lady, but she made sure all of her pasta was there.
She's mean and she makes me pasta.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, so I like to lay my sheets out like this because I feel like I'm a professional, right? Stuff laid out, It's called mise en place. Okay, it's in place. All right, so you're here. I flour in between. So you're going to go right one up. So if you're here, you just want to go. Your crank is here. Okay, from here right to here. If you go up another, and then we'll be making spaghetti, and like spaghetti is cool. But you know, if we're doing type of telly, which we're doing today, we're going to go one up. Okay. So here.
Oh. You can go back.
So you're doing here. Everyone's doing great. Don't mind me. Okay. So now you have here. Oh wait, so the spaghetti. No, so from here you're doing 7-3-1 in here, and then no doubt you just right here.
That is crazy.
Okay, so then you have your noodles.
No.
I thought that he worked at. You don't have a dish with the cheese wheel like the Grenache and tattoo pork.
With flour.
Yep.
Oh, that's what she told us. That's what she told us. She told us. It was a little bit. All right.
Okay. More flour. Whoa.
Wherever, if it's long, if it's long, then cut it. How long?
Okay.
And then flour. So you guys can cut in between this.
Yeah, go ahead. Turn it around.
Wait, it's not doing that.
No, it's not doing nothing.
It's pretty.
What is this saying?
Oh, it's right. Oh, okay, right there. Wrong. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. All right. Thank you. Okay.
Remember that shit.
All right. Appreciate it. Okay.
Right?
All right. Thank you.
Yep.
Yeah. This is really hard. This part is really hard. Gotta separate it. Whoa. It's too long. Yeah, split it.
Yeah. You see that?
Time to make the pesto sauce.
Pesto. Okay, so you guys have 4 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds.
Uh-huh.
I like to use the pumpkin seeds. It's a little bit more earthier than the pine nuts, in my opinion. And then you guys have 2 cloves of garlic and like a couple pieces of basil. I really like basil, so if you guys want to add some more,
Okay.
so I add some salt.
Okay.
I've been on my pink Himalayan thing, like I'm telling them, like that's
Okay.
I just, it's it. It's like no more.
Right.
I put that in fast. So I come through with some lemon. Okay, and then you guys are going to take this stick, some olive oil. You guys have olive oil floating around, and I just like crunch.
Okay.
So it's like a nice pasty consistency.
All right.
Okay, but you want to leave a thin layer of olive oil sitting over the top.
Okay.
It's going to be like a kind of oily sauce.
Okay.
But so you're going to be using a lot of olive oil.
Okay.
You see it's getting like super dry, just add some more oil.
Okay.
I also have some cheese floating around. Just a little marker. Okay, I grate the bowl first and then I put it in.
Okay.
And it's a little bit easier. You can put as much cheese as you want.
All right.
That's my thing. I really love cheese, so you just grate it.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
And now you can grab.
All right. Look at our pesto sauce. It tastes good and it smells really good. All right, now we're cooking the pasta.
I counted it first. You say 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Come here. Got that sauce. And some more cheese.
Okay. All right.
Salt and pepper. Just
okay.